What's up guys? In this video we show you our 1968 C10 shop truck. Alright, so as you saw by that little montage we put together, this thing is really cool. It's a 1968 C10. It was, it used to be an old Sinclair gas station truck. I mean, at least that's what we're assuming, because it has all this, it has this cool livery on it. Sinclair. Looks like Newton, Iowa. If you guys can find a Sinclair station in Newton, Iowa that's old, let us know or send us an address in the comments, because it's pretty cool, you know, all that stuff. There's also the Sinclair dinosaur on the back here. It's really cool. Probably one of my favorite features on the truck, honestly. So, and this thing's all original patina, if you were wondering. There's an Orange Crush bottle opener. Just like the stuff that the previous owner put on here is pretty hilarious. Like it really adds to the character and stuff. Like we've got like, I'm pretty sure that's the original Iowa plate right there, 68. And then we put some extra plates on it, like this Texas, Michigan, basically 60s plates that we found like at like antique stores and stuff. It's on full air ride. They notched the frame and put in this like bed extension to really get it on the ground. It's definitely one of the cooler features about this truck. It makes it look really good. It kind of has a little rat rod feel going with the interior. You know, it's really nice in here. Head unit. The guy set it up for Sirius, so that's awesome. Houndstooth seat, I'm really a big fan of that. It's a little bouncy, but whatever. And then take a look inside the engine bay. It's just a crate 350 with a 4L80E GM transmission. So it's a good little truck. I think the guy put an RV cam in it, but definitely in the future, a lot of the upgrades have to do with really waking this engine up, because there's a lot of potential here, but it has a lot of cheap parts on it, but it runs really well. So that includes like fuel injection, Edelbrock heads, new cam, you know, just like the fun little bolt-on stuff. What we've done so far is we've put an MSD ignition on it, and we've also upgraded to a much larger amp alternator, because the one on there before was just OEM, kind of didn't really put out enough to keep up with all the systems on here. So it's a cool little truck. I'm really excited for the future of this thing. Oh, also stay tuned, we're gonna try to do some rack and pinion on this thing, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, so for those of you that were wondering, this is actually my dad's C10, but he's gonna let us use it because we need a truck to haul around all this stuff. So I mean, he let us use his old F-150. Same with this thing. It's his daily driver, so it takes a special kind of person to daily this thing. So we also put on some new white walls and painted the rims, got new hubcaps and all of that. And we also got this brand new box, but kind of did a patina job on it. Hopefully you couldn't notice, because I think we did a pretty good job kind of camouflaging it with the rest of the truck. So I'm gonna we recorded that stuff, so I'm gonna put that in now. And yeah, enjoy the first couple of clips of us working on this thing. And yeah, be sure to subscribe to see some more of this thing in the future. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, one more thing. We got some stickers, so super excited to announce this. We've been working on this for a little while now. These are the 4 we're gonna sell to start with. This is kind of an experiment to see if you guys like this kind of stuff. But this perfectly fits on a Predator gas tank. This is just like generic YouTube. This is our new logo. So that looks really good. I like that one a lot. And this is kind of just like a modern one, really basic. So yeah, if you like what we do here on the channel and want to help us out, definitely check out the website, links in the description, and we'll see how people like them. Maybe we'll make some more t-shirts or whatever. Okay, so because this is a daily, we decided it's probably a pretty good idea to just get like this white Tractor Supply truck box. I mean, it actually doesn't look too bad with the whole look. It goes with the white top for sure. The problem with dailying like a single cab truck like this is just like available storage. So what we'll do is we'll bolt this thing in. Alright, so it's all bolted in. Looks pretty good from the front. And, you know, looks decent from the back. Problem is, though, it's a little too shiny for this truck, right? So, I think what we're going to try to do is kind of sand it down a little bit, maybe give it a little bit of a, like, fake patina. It's going to be kind of difficult, though, because this truck is all, I mean, this is all authentic, real patina here. I mean, you can kind of see, like, little rust around the creases and stuff. So, if we can match what's going on with the white here, we should be doing pretty good. Alright, so we're just wet sanding it with some 80 grit sandpaper. Because we're really just trying to get rid of the clear coat, as well as do a little bit of scuffing up. Okay, so it's kind of hard to tell on camera actually, but we've done like almost all the glossiness is gone from this box, and we've kind of sanded a couple areas completely down to bare metal, so that'll rust. So basically the whole thing has been done with 80 grit wet sand. So now what we got to do is we got to do some different stages, and I think like the splotches are good. Like, you can see this kind of patina like this, where it's let me see if I can get the focus, but where it's kind of like very light, and there's like still some orange over it. We kind of want to replicate that in a couple of areas, so that's what the lighter grit will help us do, hopefully. And then we also kind of want to have some like scratches and stuff like this in it. So maybe we'll take like a tire iron to it or something like that, I don't know. But we don't want to bang it up too much to where you lose the seal, but so far, so good. Okay, so
it's already starting to rust, which is pretty cool. So it's starting to really look pretty good.
See that right there?
Yeah, and then we have some.
There's another one over here that I'm not quite done with.
Yeah, so you can kind of see it there. We're just kind of trying to fade some areas, make it look.
Trying to kind of make it look like up on top up there. You see that?
Yeah, so see these little faded areas right there, something like that. Just so it's not like all white with like spots. So we need to make it all look like this.
Alright, it's been about a week since we've worked on this toolbox, but it's actually rusting pretty nicely. I never thought I'd say that, but yeah, it's actually looking good. Like, see that? It's kind of spreading the rust all over to the white. We're gonna still have to do a little more sanding on this, but it's mostly done. It's kind of cool seeing the little transformation of it, and it doesn't look very fake either, which is nice. So it's going with the truck a lot more. It doesn't stand out as much. So the next project is these things. Tires are really dry rotted and pretty spent. I was thinking that it was just dry rot, but the other day we were looking at these things and that's all wire poking through. So that's about to like delaminate or pop. So that's not good. So we've got some brand new white walls here. That'd be really fun. Putting on white walls would be good. It'll make this thing look a lot better because these are pretty gross anyways. So what we'll do is we'll jack this thing up, take the wheels off, and paint up the rims and put the new tires on. Yeah, take a look. These are pretty shot. Some NASCAR stuff here, guys. These ones are pretty good, but we're still gonna replace them. I don't want the wire to show again. Alright, so let's get these to Discount Tire and get those nice new wheels on. Alright, so we got all these cleaned up. We're just gonna paint the outside edge. The inside's, I mean, fine. It's not too rusty or anything, so I mean, you're not gonna see it. So we just got some gloss black paint, and let's just shoot it down, and it should look pretty good.
Do you or?
Sure. Okay, so we got our new rims and tires all together. Looks really good. We sticked with the white wall, so kind of keeps that classic look. Sweet, looking good. So we'll throw all these on and should be looking good again. Oh, so we're on the ground. It's really lifted up right now because the air ride's all the way up, but we'll lower and get some good shots, but it's looking really good.